Today we're taking a look at an Ernst Wrench Organizer, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, we're back to organizing my messy toolbox here. This time around we're working on wrenches. So I picked this up on Amazon. The main reason why I got it, it's made in America, and I really wanted to try that out. So not only did I pick this up from Ernst, I picked up their pliers one too. That'll be in a different video. What we're going to do is take this to the table, tell you some of the features about it, and then I'm going to clean up my drawer. I'm going to show you guys it first, and then see how organized and how well I like it. Let's get started. Now, some of the features we got here, we got an innovative geometry that provides compact storage and uniform presentation. That is a big must with something like this. Modular design fits any number of wrenches in a set. Designed to fit most wrench types. No slip feature to use with a drawer liner, and holds up to 20 wrenches. Now this version I got here does not come magnetized, but they do have a magnetized version for a little bit more you can get. And then all the stuff that's included is right down here. And then, like I said, made in the USA with a lifetime guarantee. That is really why I wanted to go for this. And it also has some ID labels with it too, which I'll show you when we unbox this. Now let's open it up and see what's in here. We got 10 and 20. Throw that to the side. We got our instructions. Open it up. Very nice labels. Instructions look great. Let me show you my drawer. Now originally what started all this was my socket drawer, and you see we went with Swan Lake on this. Got it a little more organized. Then I showed you guys my wrench drawer, and this is what we're going to straighten out. Now like I said, I only got 20, so I'm going to try to set this up and I'll be back with you. Now just for an idea, I have all my metrics set up in this one. The one thing I really like about this is you can actually take these apart and put them in threes. That is very nice. And also on the bottom, if you do want to buy magnets, you can put them in there. Now this is the first way I organize this. I got all these right here in the Ernst setup. What I have is my metric down here, my standard up there, then an adjustable wrench. I took all my big wrenches out of here and I put them in my toolbox off to the other side. That's going to be the ones that I don't use much. These I use a lot. I got my line wrenches here, metric and standard. And then I got my favorite X-beams here from Gear Wrench. I got those standard and metric set up here. I use these a lot also. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take the standard set out of here, and I want to see how these X-beams look in it. Alright, now I did the X-beams here. Now this is kind of wasteful space, but if you want it to look halfway decent, and you can see the numbers going down this side, you can do that. But the problem you have is with the X-beam, if you want it all together, you would have to move it like this. So there's a flat piece, and then you'd have to do it like that, which I think this looks goofy. Or you can maybe do it like this, but then you have it hitting on this side. So that's the only downside I see with this. Truthfully, I don't see a lot of people with these X-beam wrenches, and I don't know why. I absolutely love using these things, but that is going to be a kind of a con if you have these kind of wrenches. Alright, I think this is going to be my final setup with these right now. As you can see, I'm not using the stickers yet, but I think this is the way I'm going to label them now. I do think I'm going to get the red ones though, so I can separate my metric and my standard by color, just like the socket set, to make it match. So that's my final layout for right now with this drawer. So as you can see there, these things really helped organize my drawer. Like I said, I'm going to pick up the red one so I can separate metric and standard, just like I did with my socket set, the way that is set up. So it's the same thing. Pretty much now though, after this, everything I buy, because I mainly do automotive work, is metric. So most stuff I buy now, I only buy metric. The only time I use standards, if I'm doing wood stuff with my wife or something, then I end up using the standards. But when I get my new US General toolbox, pretty much everything in that's going to be metric, because I'm going to roll that right up to the car. So I like that they do different colors like the blue, red, but you can get any color you like. They got the green and all the other ones. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below to Amazon. It is an affiliate link, but like I said, I leave it up to you guys. If you want to pick one of these up, check out that link down below. And if you don't want to pick one up and you just want to look at more info on it, check out that link. It'll be there in the description for you. Also, while you're down there, check out the other links I have down there. A lot of them are affiliate links that do help out the channel for me to buy stuff like this to do videos with. Others got discount codes for you guys, so you can save some money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.